Is it possible to detect the absence of fetal heartbeat before the 20th week of pregnancy?
Hello, future parents and healthcare professionals. In today's discussion, we are tackling an essential question in early pregnancy care. Is it possible to detect the absence of a fetal heartbeat before the 20th week of pregnancy? Detecting a fetal heartbeat is a vital part of monitoring a baby's development. Let's dive into understanding more about this.
What is a fetal heartbeat?
A fetal heartbeat is the pulsing of the heart in a fetus. It is a sign of life and growth within the womb. The heartbeat usually starts around the 5th to 6th week of pregnancy, but it might not be detectable through ultrasound until about the 6th to 7th week.
Can we detect the absence of fetal heartbeat?
Yes, it is indeed possible to detect the absence of a fetal heartbeat before the 20th week of pregnancy. Healthcare professionals use various methods such as ultrasound, Doppler fetal monitor, and occasionally a stethoscope for this. They look for the presence or absence of a heartbeat to ascertain the status of the pregnancy. Ultrasound is typically the most reliable method, especially early in pregnancy. It not only detects the heartbeat but also provides a visual representation of the fetus. A Doppler fetal monitor can also detect a heartbeat, but it's typically used a little later in pregnancy, usually after the 12th week.
What does the absence of fetal heartbeat indicate?
The absence of a fetal heartbeat can be a sign of a miscarriage or fetal demise. This could be a devastating discovery for expecting parents, but it's essential to confirm this with a healthcare professional as several factors can affect the detection of the heartbeat. If an ultrasound or Doppler does not detect a heartbeat, it doesn't automatically mean a loss. The baby might be too small, or it might be too early in the pregnancy. The position of the uterus, the mother's physical condition, and the accuracy of the pregnancy dating can also affect heartbeat detection. Always consult with a healthcare professional for accurate information. In summary, it is possible to detect the absence of a fetal heartbeat before the 20th week of pregnancy using several methods. However, it's crucial to remember that the absence of a detected heartbeat does not always indicate a problem. If you are expecting and have concerns, always consult with your healthcare provider to ensure you receive the most accurate information. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this discussion has been helpful to you.